in common. Hello everyone. My name is Ihan. Today, on the occasion of World Natural Conservation Day, I would like to share some facts about turtles, octopus, and jellyfish, which I found very interesting. The first time I came to know about creatures was from the National Geographic channel. Turtles can live in most climates that are warm enough for them to breathe. They live on all continents except Antarctica. A group of turtles is called a creek. Baby turtles are called hatchlings. They have an egg tooth on their beak to help them hatch out of their shell. This tooth disappears after an hour. Octopus. The word octopus comes from Greek word. Octopus means a foot. The plural of octopus is octopuses. They have 3 hearts. 2 of them work exclusively to move blood, while the third one keeps circulating, flowing for the organs. Octopus can quickly change the color and texture of their skin. They're amazingly intelligent creatures. The big brain can plan through mazes, solve problems, and remember solutions. Jellyfish. Jellyfish have no brain, heart, bone, or eyes. They are made out of a smooth bag-like body. Their tentacles are armed with tiny stinging cells. The jellyfish mouth is found in the center of its body. Jellyfish eat many different types of things, such as small plants, fish eggs, and other small fish called larvae. Finally, aquatic animals are amazing creatures, each with its unique characteristics. They play an important role in the environment. So let's thank them by helping them survive without polluting water bodies, by not throwing garbage, plastic, and other toxic materials. We can protect the marine animals. We can follow the 3R principle: reusing, reducing, recycling.